Okay, folks, today we're going to be talking about another Heritage Glen by Forest River. It's the LTZ version. Today, this one is the 26.9 rear lounge. Okay, this one has the big tanks up front and the power tongue jack. And if you come around here, you have tons of underbelly storage. Has a light in there and everything. It's pretty cool. You can see the framing in there. You have your power extenders on the stabilizers. It's not automatic, but you can push them down. And you also have a solar hookup. You have a back window. This is leading to the bedroom. I'll show you that when we get inside. That awning covers this whole section right here. This is a little storage section right here. Your low point and black tank flusher on this side. Come on inside. Well, as soon as you come in, you see these awesome chairs and all this beautiful window. You got two recliners here, spot to put your drinks on. Pretty nice. I love these windows and these chairs. They do recline back. You have to push them back like that. You have this trifold couch right here. The bed will come out to about right here where I'm standing. Then you have your dinette booth with storage under. Okay. Then you come over here. This is the main bed. You have storage under here. Then you have all this storage right here. And then this is the back door I was telling you guys about. Okay, awesome. Then if you come into the bathroom, check that out. Look how big that shower is. Tons of stuff, places for all your toiletries. Then you come over here, you have the entertainment, Junction TV, Junction stereo, and you have the nice fireplace here that runs off electricity, so it will not use propane to warm it up in here. You have more storage here. Then you have the big Dometic fridge, and then you have the 3-burner Furrion, and then you have the stainless steel Furrion microwave, and tons of counter space right here. Let's step on outside. It's like 90 degrees in here, so bear with me. All right. If you come around here, you have your ladder right here, outside shower, spare tire, more hookups. Rack of pinion on the slide, which is very important. Ask me about that when you give me a call. My name is Anthony Fuller. You can reach me at 541-653-2818. Thank you.